Hi, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom H5 portable audio recorder. This Zoom H5 audio recorder enables very high quality recording. It also allows the soundman or boom operator to operate away from the camera. They are no longer restricted by the length of the audio cable. The Zoom H5 also enables XLR input. You can see there are two here, input 1 and input 2. I already have a XLR cable connected to it. It's connected to my handheld interview mic. Okay, so the Zoom H5 also enables audio monitoring. The headphone jack is over here. Okay, so some DSLR and some mirrorless camera may not have audio monitoring. So the Zoom H5 allows you to monitor the sound being recorded. Okay, and soundman can also adjust the volume. Okay, so this is the volume level for input 1 since I'm using input 1. Okay, the Zoom H5 records to the SD card is over here, and at the back you have uses two alkaline batteries. According to Rode, it lasts for about 15 hours if you're using the built-in stereo microphone. However, if you're using an external microphone with a phantom power, it's probably less. Okay, so to turn on, you just need to pull down this button here. It's already on it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to, if you're using it for the first time, you need to go into the menu. Okay, and configure it properly. So here's the navigation dial. Okay, so I'm going to record. Okay, then I'll check on the record format. Okay, make sure it's wave, 48 kilohertz sample rate, and 24-bit audio. Okay, so this is the recommended setting. Just press to select. Okay, you can double check here. Okay, just press menu to exit the submenu. Okay, then I'm going to the record mode. Okay, this is the record mode submenu. Okay, we have to select multi-file. Okay, we have to select multi-file to enable the XLR input. Okay, then go back to the menu again. Now we're going to format the SD card. So go to SD card submenu. Okay, then format. Yes. Okay, just format it when you're using it for the first time. Okay, if you are using this with external microphone, such as the interview mic here, so there's no battery inside, so you need to supply phantom power to the microphone. So we have to, in this case, we have to go to the input-output submenu. Okay, go to the phantom power submenu. Make sure the phantom power is on for input 1. Okay, so turn it on, and then menu to go back, and then select voltage submenu. Okay, for shotgun microphone is usually for 48 volt. If you're using a handheld interview mic, you can actually use less power, and you can save battery in that way. But I'm just going to leave it as 48 volt. Okay, so I'm just going to click select it. Okay, so it's 48 volt. Okay, now I'm going to return. Okay, so before we can start recording, we make sure that input 1 is selected. Okay, if left, right refers to the built-in microphone. Okay, so make sure it's turned off. Okay, so we only want to use 1. Okay, so to start recording, just press the record button. Oh yes, you have to double check the volume before you start recording. So now I'm holding the interview mic. Okay, testing, mic test is too loud, Okay, so to adjust the volume. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We want it to be around -12 to -6, so this is good. Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're ready to record. Just press the record button. Then once you press the record button, the recording light will turn on. Okay, so this is a mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, to stop the recording, just toggle the record button once more. Okay, to playback, just press the playback button. And once press the record button, the recording light will turn on. Alright, so basically that's it to recording. Remember to bring spare batteries, and to remove the SD card for import, just open the SD card compartment door and then just press it, then it will spring up. Okay, and this is the SD card.